How to install WordPress theme. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 methods of installing a WordPress theme. I will show you how to add a theme from WordPress Theme Directory and how you can add it with VTP. Let's get started. How to install a theme on WordPress. After installing WordPress, the first thing every beginner needs to learn is how to install a WordPress theme. There are thousands of WordPress themes available, both free and paid. As a beginner, you may want to try out a few of them on your site until you find the right one. In this beginner guide, we'll share a detailed step-by-step instruction on how to install a WordPress theme. We'll cover 2 different ways to install a WordPress theme, so you can choose the method that works best for you. Open the browser. So let's go into the administration panel for WordPress. Go to your domain /wp line admin. Log in with the admin and password. Installing a WordPress theme is easy, but keep in mind that if you activate a new theme, then it will change how your website looks and functions. If you're looking to install a free WordPress theme from the WordPress.org themes directory, then the easiest way is by using the built-in theme search functionality. First, go to Appearance, Themes page. Click on the Add New button. On the next screen, you will have the ability to select from Feature WordPress themes, Popular WordPress themes, Latest WordPress theme, search for a specific theme, or search for themes with specific features. On the search from the top right, write your search terms. Based on your search, you will see a list of themes. When you see the theme that you want to install, simply bring your mouse on the top of the image. This will reveal the Install button, Preview button, and Details button. Go ahead and click on the Install button. WordPress will now install your theme and show you a success message along with Activate or Live Preview buttons. Click on the Activate button, and you've successfully installed and activated your WordPress theme. Depending on the theme, it may add additional settings options that you may need to configure. For instance, your theme may ask you to install a recommended plugins, download demo data, or review settings. You can follow the on-screen instruction or click on the Customize button to start setting up your theme. This method that we cover only allows you to install free themes that are available in WordPress.org themes directory. What if you want to install a premium WordPress theme? What if you want to install a custom theme? Well, in this case, you would need to install the theme using the upload method from WordPress admin. Start by downloading the zip file of the theme that you have bought. Next, go with the mouse over Appearance, Themes. Click on Add New button at the top. This will take you to the Add New Theme page. Go ahead and click on the Upload Theme button on the top. You will be prompted to choose the zip files that you downloaded earlier. Select the file and click Install Now. Once your theme is installed, you will see a success message along with the link to activate and preview the theme. Click on Activate link and you've successfully installed and activate your WordPress theme. Depending on the theme, it may add additional settings option that you need to configure either to the theme customizer or to a separate option panel. How to upload and install a theme on WordPress on Windows with VTP. In this tutorial, I will show you every step to install a theme on a WordPress site by uploading the files with VTP software. This tutorial is made especially for hosting accounts that have cPanel as hosting manager. but this will work with any system as long as you find the corresponding data. We will need first to make an FTP connection from our PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for the connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection. So if you have not done this, put the video on pause and check the description of the video. A connection is required. Copy now on your computer the theme you want to upload to your site. I have already downloaded the theme. You will need to go to the folder where you downloaded the file. To transfer the files to the server, you will need to unzip the file. I will right-click the theme zip file and click on Extract All. Now click on Extract. Let's open the folder we just extracted. You need to have on this folder some PHP files. If you do not have this and have another archive, you will need to extract the file again. Some premium developers do this. You will need to copy these files to the server. Now let's connect to the hosting account with the FTP software. If you have not done that, put the video on pause and check the video that is in the description that explains all about FTP and how you can create the connection. Click Login. After you connected to the hosting account, click on the folder public_HTML from the right. Open folder WP line content. Open folder Themes. Now on the left, go where the downloaded theme folder is located. You will need to upload the folder completely. Do not upload the content of the folder on your themes. This will mess up your folder structure. Select the root folder and click Upload. Click OK. Now the theme has been uploaded to the server. We will need to activate the theme. Open the browser, so let's go into the administration panel for WordPress. Go to your domain/WP line admin. Log in with the admin and password. Go with the mouse over Appearance and click Themes. In this list, find the theme name you just added on the server. If you do not find the themes here, it means maybe you copied the files in the wrong path. I have here the theme I added on FTP. Go with the mouse over the theme and click Activate. Depending on the theme, it may add additional settings option that you may need to configure, either through the theme customizer or through a separate option panel. You have now installed the theme on your WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.